Carbon monoxide is a naturally occurring byproduct of furnaces, hot water heaters, and when companies put profits over people and take shortcuts, whether they installed it improperly, failed to properly maintain it, people can be hurt or even killed. Every year, hundreds of people end up right here in Maryland in what's called a hyperbaric treatment to try and save what is left of their brain after the brain damage they've endured. At Murphy, Falcon and Murphy, we have an incredible track record of results for dozens of people poisoned by carbon monoxide. Victims of carbon monoxide poisoning face a lifetime of brain damage and permanent injuries. They deserve fair compensation, not go-away money, not short money, but something that will reflect the lifetime of injuries they're going to have to deal with. We've obtained record-setting verdicts on behalf of the victims of carbon monoxide poisoning, including one for $34 million. Experience and results matter.